Alrighty guys, welcome back, and I think we've got this thing lined out finally. I've been back through the carburetor on this thing and went through the pilot circuit on it, cleaned everything up. I got it in pretty good shape. So now then, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and fire this thing up and see how she sounds. This thing should run pretty good. I cannot test it here. This thing is way too loud to be running it down the street in front of my house. This thing has a recluse clutch in it. It's the basic model, and I've got it adjusted pretty well. I think it needs to be adjusted just a little bit more, but let's review what we've done on this thing. With the engine, we put a crankshaft in this thing, most of the bearings inside the engine, new top end. We worked over the valves, new valves. Let's see here. We did the swing arm bearings in this thing. We also did the fork seals in it. A multitude of other things. There's a whole list of videos on this thing. If you look at my channel and just look back through the videos, there's a whole series on this particular 2005 CRF450. Went through the carburetor several times, cleaned the carburetor. We also went through and put the mid gasket set in the carburetor. And through my frustration, I did not video going back through the carburetor again for the third or fourth time to get this thing so it runs pretty decent. So anyway, I think this thing is pretty much ready to go. All I got to do is test ride this thing. Like I say, I cannot not do that here, but I hope to do it over this weekend. Thank you for watching throughout the entire series on this CRF450. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We absolutely love it. Leave comments down below. I do respond to almost all the comments. Tell me what I did right, tell me what I did wrong. I'm open to suggestions. I'm not perfect, I'm human just like you are, and everybody has an opinion. Some people's are right and some people's are wrong, but everybody has an opinion. Hey, thank you for watching, and God bless.